Hi, Sketchlab friends. Well, what happens when Hello Kitty falls into a dessert blender? You get this ridiculously cute milkshake masterpiece. Well, let's draw it together step by step. Is this going to be the shape of the head? So I'm curving a line out to the left, and on this side I'm curving a line out to the right. And the shape of the head is kind of like a watermelon. Could also remind you of the Pringles can guy. And we're going to draw our first ear. So you can see it looks like it's a triangular shape. And make sure you pay attention to the size and placement of the ears. It's very important in your drawings. This is the start of the bow. So you have that oval. Line that curves out to the left. And this one curves out to the right. We're going to draw another line that curves out to the right. And we have one here that curves out to the left. And that's the bow. So you can see we have overlapping. So now the bow is in front of the cat. So you got to erase off some construction lines. All right, let's start drawing the expression. This is going to start the nose. Then we're going to draw a little oval here for the eye. So this isn't just a milkshake today, it's a meow shake. So we're going to add some whipped cream on top. We're going to start off with looks a little bit like a shark's fin. See how I curve those two lines? Now on the right, I'm going to curve a line to the right. Do that one more time. Bam. And you can see we're going to curve a line out to the left, on the left side. We're layering on so much sugar that even our markers today are going to get a cavity. This is a straw for a milkshake, so I curved the line up. Just drawing these two lines down. And then I'm going to draw some lines across. If you just draw them straight across, you can see it kind of makes them look flat. But if you just curve them up just a little bit, look at the difference. It makes it just a little bit more three-dimensional. It's called a cross contour line. You draw a line that curves around a form. And we're going to put on the whiskers. So I don't know if you guys want to hug this or eat this today. And we will be adding sprinkles to the top of Hello Kitty for emotional support today. So I'm going to curve a line out to the left. And now I'm going to curve a line out to the right. Now I'm going to use some wavy lines. Got to make it drippy. As they say, sprinkles are not optional, guys. They're mandatory cuteness. So we're going to draw another wavy line down. So this milkshake is overflowing. because I guess Hello Kitty tried to jump in the blender today. Draw these 2 lines down. That creates the shape of the glass. And we want this to be a cylinder, so we're going to curve a line down. Curve it down. And then we're going to add a little bit of thickness to our glass. And we, my friends, are ready for outlining. Because we did use construction lines today, you might want to check out my outlined image just to make sure you're erasing off and only outlining what you're supposed to be outlining. All right. So with Posca markers, these are awesome because we're going to be using 2 values. So for instance, the whipped cream, we have ivory, and then we'll have beige. For Hello Kitty, we're going to have gray, and we're going to lighten it with white to make a lighter gray. Goes that beige, and now we have pink going over the top of the light pink. We have red going over the coral pink today. And sprinkles are mandatory cuteness. And now that we're applying that outline back on, look how amazing this Hello Kitty turned out today. Hello Kitty milkshake. Well, if you had fun drawing with me today, be sure to sketch another one. See you in the next video. Bye.